The big deal with OLED, the message that we want to get across in the product that we want to produce is that we get a TV product with perfect color, perfect black, perfect motion. So we combine, so to say, the best parts of both LCD and plasma technology into one brand new technology, where we get the picture quality that people associated with high-end plasmas, but we get the energy efficiency, the build or the construction of a what you would call a basic LED panel. So it's low energy use, slim designs, very, very thin construction. This one in particular, this is the first 4K OLED to come to the Nordics. So we finally get an OLED with the 4K resolution, but also we get an OLED that is bigger than the 55-inch models that we've had so far. This right here is a 65-inch model. There's no separate lighting source in the panel itself. That's also one aspect that affords us the possibility to construct such a flat and thin panel, because we have a much simpler design in it. It's not a multi-layered as you would have in the LED systems. So with this model, for example, we're talking about a panel thickness casing included of under 5 millimeters.